What's up, guys? So you guys know that my channel is a lot about business, but I wanted to show you how we clean windows here and how we train our guys and why we're so much better than everybody else. So come on out. So we have a 5-step process here. Okay. And before we go over this, I want to go over our tools a little bit. So this is what we call a squeegee. It's made by Unger. This specific one was bought at Home Depot. Very professional, high quality. And this is what we call a scrubber. And the scrubber, we prefer no handle. Just like to really get in deep with the grooves of the window. And so all of our guys use no handle. This here, we got a nice soft brush. And this is step one of our process, and I'll show you that before we get going here. And this is what we call our detail brush, and it's pretty neat. So step one is we use our soft brush here, and we get all in the grooves. And so we get any kind of dirt off the glass like this. And as you can see, it's working real good. So I don't want to bore you, but give me a second. And then step two, we do what we call a 6-step sprinkle, especially for a window this size. And sometimes we'll do one more just for the thighs. Okay, after that, we take our detail brush here and we just spread it all out. And one of the best body traits of a window cleaner is big calves. You can tell. At the end here, we get in with we like to do straight pulls. And with that 5 or 6 step process, we don't even need towels. So save lots of money there. So I hope you liked it, and you can make a lot of money in this business if you just focus and work hard and clean your windows good. So thanks.